Kia Sorento 2023, I think. 2023 Kia Sorento windshield wipers. It's a 16-inch on the passenger side, 26-inch on the driver's side. Pop this up. Oh, that doesn't let it come up. That's fun. Now there's a little tab on the back here that you gotta just squeeze up, and then this whole thing will slide back. Come on. There it goes. It comes up. Need both hands, but there's the tab right there, and then the whole thing will just push right down when you do it. It pushes right down once you do it. And then be careful, because if this slams back down onto the glass, it can crack the glass. Pop this guy open, okay, and then there's a curvy spot right there. That's gonna go up and in. So you're just gonna get it on this guy, like so, and then just pull it till it clicks. Boom. Wipers change. Make sure there's no guard. Some wipers have a guard on it. And then we do the same thing with the driver's side. There's a little clippy doodah on that. Right there. And we get that. Get down and you move it and it comes off. No problem. Again, be very careful that it doesn't slam onto your windshield or it'll crack it. I didn't mean it. Pop this open. And you're gonna find the curvy side of it. You're gonna get it just up. Sometimes you gotta get it started on there first. Hold on. Up enough where you can get it in like that, and then you push it till it clicks. And then that's it. That one's in there. Make sure there's no guard on the bottom of it too. All right, guys. I'll put these in the description below. Click the link. Peace.